Kintsugi, it's a Japanese concept which dates from the 15th century, and it consists of underlining the broken lines of an object with real gold, with pure gold.
Each step in itself is also significant for your own self-growth. So Kintsugi is not just an art, it's also a symbol, and this is what this book is all about. I actually found my true calling, which is becoming one of the Kintsugi messengers around the world and passing on its message of hope and helping people, to pick up their own pieces and shine. And all this journey brings me here and now on this stage to pass on to all of you, to each one of you, the Kintsugi spirit. And maybe it will change your life too. Kintsugi helped me to heal. But actually, by piecing together my puzzle, Kintsugi also changed my life because I couldn't find the book I wanted to read about Kintsugi, so I decided to write it. And I think that's the whole message of Kintsugi, that yes, we are broken, but since we can put gold on our scars, now we can be broken again. It doesn't matter, in a way, because it will be even more beautiful after. The fact that you acknowledge that you're broken is the first step, because then you can go on in your life. Then you can really repair yourself and heal for good instead of pretending to be okay. Kintsugi is here to remind you that sometimes there are no other choice than let time do its work. And this is learning to let go. Instead of throwing away the broken object, it's about assuming its path, owning its cracks, and even illuminating, sublimating, celebrating them. You are all actually magicians in your life, and you are the one who can put the gold on your own scars, and you are the one who decide to repair yourself, and you are the one who decide to change your lead into gold.
Falling down 7 times and getting up 8.
The Kintsugi is here to tell us, to remind us that we have to be proud of our scars, because they show who we really are. They show what we've been through. So instead of trying to hide it, let's just celebrate how perfectly imperfect we are.